Engineered to keep your operations running. The CLNX Plus series. Industry standard, now better than ever. Prints faster with higher throughput. The new micro-label print mode can print smaller labels with greater precision. A robust frame to withstand use in the toughest environment keeps quality print running for hours. The new model now takes 30% more labels to spend less time replacing media. Also equips a new platen that shows when it needs to be replaced. The bifold cover opens in less space, and the print head opens wide for effortless maintenance. The 3.5-inch color LCD keeps operations easy. It alerts errors and shows videos to help troubleshoot. Plug a USB flash drive to copy or save settings for cloning additional or backup printers easily. Automatically detects major emulation languages for seamless switch from legacy models or other brands. Displays menu in 31 languages and prints in 47. And multiple interfaces offer connectivity with a variety of environments. The Plus series is optimized to function as an RFID printer. The RFID model can print and encode UHF, HF, and NFC labels. The printer automatically searches and sets the best antenna position to encode in, and will keep searching if an error occurs. What needed to be done manually can now be set up from the LCD. Save settings in the printer to print multiple RFID media, all from a single unit. Add optional features that cater to your needs. Barcode validation can be done as labels print out. Install and run printing applications on board. Cloud-based service monitors your printer operations 24/7 to notify you when parts need to be replaced and prevent errors before they occur. A universal printer that keeps your operations running. The CLNX Plus series, engineered for zero downtime.